Welcome back to C#.NET Tutorials. I'm Venkat. In this video, let us discuss about compilation and execution of programs written in .NET languages. Okay. As we all know, as we all discussed in the previous videos, so the .NET is a big world. In that .NET world, there are many programming languages. Okay. So out of those programming languages, let us take three programming languages as an example. So let me take three programming languages. So the first one is a C#.NET, and next one is a VB.NET. The next one is a F#.NET. So like that, there are many programming languages in .NET. Okay. So let us take these three as an example. When you compile the source code from these programming languages, you need separate compilers in .NET. Okay. If you want to compile source code from C#.NET programming language, you need a CSC compiler. So what is the compiler name? C# compiler, CSC compiler. Okay. So if you want to compile the source code from VB.NET, so you need the VBC VB compiler. And similarly, if you want to compile the source code from F#.NET, what is the compiler name? FSC, F# compiler. Okay. So like this, every programming language in .NET has its own compiler. Okay. So like C#.NET has CSC compiler, VB.NET has VBC compiler, F#.NET has FSC compiler, J#.NET will have JSC compiler. Like that, every programming language will have its own compiler. So once you compile the source code from these programming languages, all these compilers inside .NET will generate a common code, intermediate language code. So that is CIL code. So just now we have seen what is CIL code. So the CSC compiler will generate CIL code. The VB compiler will generate CIL code. F# compiler will generate CIL code. CIL code is nothing but common intermediate language code. Okay. So if you want to run this common intermediate language code, so you need a CLR, right? So the software name is a CLR. CLR. This CLR will convert the CIL code into machine code. So this CILR is responsible to execute the CIL code in any operating system. Okay. So now we can see every programming language in .NET requires a separate compiler, and every compiler in .NET will convert the source code into one single IL code, that is common intermediate language code. So once the common intermediate language code is generated, so that is same for CLR. CLR will treat CIL code as a single CIL code for any programming languages. So once your source code is converted to CIL code, so it is irrespective of the programming languages, it's the same for CLR, right? So this CLR will convert the CIL code into machine understandable code, and it will execute inside any operating system. Okay. That is how source code will compile and execute in .NET. So let us see the theory part for that. So as .NET is a collection of languages, gives flexibility for the programmers to write a program in any different .NET language that is available. If you want to go for VB.NET, you can choose that. If you want to go for C#.NET, you can choose that. Okay. So both are same. But all these languages have the same features and functionalities. Programmers can choose a language according to their choice to write a program. But after compilation, all languages generates the same type of output, that is CIL code, which is taken by the CLR to convert into the machine code. After compilation, all languages generates the same type of IL code. We can call it as a common intermediate language code. Okay, that is about compilation and execution of programs written in .NET languages. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe.